Hi, future self. Look at my extremely cute makeup that I am wearing stuck on the side of the road. Oh, look, there's Steven. The chain broke on my bike while I was shifting, and it is upsetting. Welcome to Steve's School of How to Fix Your Bicycle When All of the Things Explode. So first we have a towel, and it has more extra chain bits in it. And then we have this fancy tool. Chain breaker. We have this chain bit and this chain bit. We already did something to it.
Did something.
Oh no, this is the part where it broke. Okay.
Alright.
We're just taking off one chain link and adding one?
Well, no, because well, actually, yeah, these are my extra, or my old bike gloves that got all dirty from road repairs, and they're getting chewed up anyway, so I got new gloves and I kept these as
Nasty Town gloves.
Nasty Town road repair gloves, along with my fingerless gloves.
Okay. We open this
That is not a well sealed
jobby.
So let's see. So you can see that you have these like small links and big links.
Oh right, the skinny ones and the fat ones.
In fact, actually, a small segment and a big segment with these outer plates.
Okay.
That's actually one link.
Okay.
So you're gonna need.
You count by like the joint.
So we need, outer plates on this end. Right, it needs to be the inside on this side, and outer plates on this side.
Right.
So we're actually gonna remove all the way from here, probably.
Okay.
That whole link.
So we're gonna take this pin,
Probably
this joint here, and put it in where this pin and this joint here
Yeah,
is.
and then this pin will go back in this hole.
Okay.
So I'll start by taking the hole. Link. Sounds like a description to me.
Ever. You're so hard on yourself.
I mean, that's the
I should point out.
that's the tech industry's.
I should point out that Steve is sick, and he emergenced over to help me, even though he's not feeling good. It's very nice of him. I was planning on just pushing the bike all the way home. Okay.
But what you don't want to do is push this all the way out. So you can see how this is working, right?
Yeah. It like holds the chain in place.
You want to make sure that this pin, if at all possible, is as centered as possible on the pin and the chain. Because if it gets off center, it'll actually like damage the link.
Okay.
And you don't want to pop it all the way out, because then that's it. That link is dead, and you have to start over. So then we'd have to, do like this. You have to get it to.
So you can only take it out how far?
Far enough so that it's still in the plate.
In the plate in the center. Okay.
Not in the center, so that it's still in the plate on the outside, but it's not in the center link. So I go until it starts to. There's sort of like a little click, because there's like, it's hard. I don't know if you can see, but there's a little lip.
Okay.
On the end of the this might not be far enough, but you back it out and test it. It needs to go a little bit further. Wow, this thing's already here. It's perfect. This is the new chain breaker that's being backed.
This is his first time? Okay, so I heard that click.
Yeah, there's actually just this one.
Oh, okay.
And
The pusher pin.
be careful of the station. Push it out.
Oh yeah, so let me see. Okay, so it's all the way. Wow, I'm surprised that that tiny little bit of metal holds that pin in there. I would like to point out that not bringing a roadside kit meant that within 5 minutes of having an accident, this very handy mechanic human showed up with all the tools, so there's not much of an incentive for me to do it.
Self-reliance?
What?
Self-respect? I mean,
What?
what?
Self-reliance? So, okay, so this part goes on here. Ah! Okay. But see how the pin is off-center? Is that bad?
Yes, like I said, you want it to be lined up.
Well,
Don't just manhandle it. Like, you want to be gentle with it.
but it's still... I don't understand.
So rearrange it so it's
like
straight.
that. Like that?
Let it drape off the sides. That helps. Gravity will help. No, it needs to be straight.
Okay, let me try again. Wow, that's hard.
Got a good frottage going. So yeah, if it gets too hard, then that means that something's not aligned, and you should back off.
Okay, so
Is it flexing? It's making that noise because you're using the links.
I know. Oh yeah. But look, I did good jobs. All by myself. So now that we have successfully changed a lock. No. Changed a... What do we do? A link. Change the link. Not a lock, a link. We will now feed through the 1 million billion miles of chain protector tube. Dum dum dums.
Jimmy.
Chain. So after feeding through the whole chain, from here, and then that way, and then this way, and then through this little teensy hole, and underneath the wheel, then you get the master links, and he didn't show me how to use them.
I can show you again once we get the chain in a better position.
Okay.
This wasn't the best.
Let's try again.